Authoring a DVD with Encore is really a simple 3-step process. First and foremost, you want to create a menu in Photoshop. In this tutorial, we will use the project file entitled Encore DVD Menu Template Photoshop. By going to Production RAID, Client Projects, CD Label Art Assets, you can follow along. Be sure to do a save as to tell your file where to go once saved. Now onto the details regarding how to implement the infamous button. In your layer panel, there are 3 layer groups with a plus sign surrounded by parentheses and the word prefix. These will be your buttons. Once a layer group is expanded, you'll notice that each group contains an equal sign with the number 1 behind it surrounded by parentheses and the word highlight as well as a text layer. For your button to work, each button group must contain a text layer, which is the name of your button, and a highlight layer. The equal 1 in the parentheses tells Encore that this layer is only to appear when a button is highlighted. If you only want one button, you can delete the others. The last fact to remember is that when you're moving your buttons, you must move the entire group. Congratulations, you have button basics down. Now let's implement what we just learned. First, replace the logo image on the template by deleting the layer and pasting or dragging the new logo into the template. Adjust buttons as desired. Save and close. Get creative as you want with your menu. Change the colors, add screenshots, but keep in mind that it's best to have buttons that are horizontally or vertically aligned. Now let's open up Encore. Create a new project, name it, and set the appropriate location. Go to File, Import As, Menu, and navigate to the Photoshop menu you just created. Then go to Import As, Timeline, and bring in your exported movie file. In the Properties panel on the right, rename the disk. Double-click on your menu. Select the button you'd like to link. From the panel on the right, click and drag the spiral icon next to link. Drag it onto the appropriate timeline in your project panel. Select the timeline you just linked to the button. In the Properties panel on the right, choose an In Action by dragging the spiral or using the drop-down menu. Choose the Build tab from the left-hand panel. Ensure that your format is correct: DVD, Blu-ray, or Flash. Ensure your output is correct, like a DVD disc. Click on Check Project. In the dialog that appears, choose Start. This will check your project for errors. If there aren't any, close the dialog window. But if there are, fix them before building your DVD. After they're fixed, click Build, insert a disc, and then press OK. See, that was a piece of cake. You are now an Adobe Encore DVD authoring expert.